Good afternoon, guys. It's me, Ed. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're gonna do Insta360 X5 unboxing. I got my new camera, Insta360 X5. I'm really excited. Let's open this. This is what you see upon unboxing it. You have the stick, you have this cute bag, and then this okay, one by one. First, the selfie stick. They have this selfie stick. I think this one's 200 meters, if I'm not mistaken. 114 centimeters invisible stick. Oh shucks. Okay, selfie stick. Then we have this extra battery. I actually got the essential bundle, right? Essentials bundle. This one's the extra battery. It has a case. My nails. So hard to. Yeah. And then we have this user manual. I really like to do that. And then it has a lot of papers actually. And oops. And cleaning sticker. I think this one's for the speaker. I don't know. I'm not sure. And then they have stickers as well. Stickers. And then the main bag. I think it's too far from me. Let's open this. This is what inside. It has the camera itself, charging case, fast charger. So, and then at the back, you can see SD card storage. And then, of course, you can actually charge this through your laptops. Then the power button for sure. And it also has standard lens guard. This one. I haven't. This one's the lens guard. The Insta360. Can you guys see it? It also has its cap, lens cap. It's silicone. And then when you open, this one's the power button. Let's try yung itong lens cap. Oh, nadedetect pala niya if nandito na yung lens card. Lagyan na rin natin yung isa. Got it. Lens card check. Let's see if kaya pa. Oh, siya. And also, we have inside this pocket. It has this small pouch and another bucket inside. And of course, I think this one's the wipes, lens wipes. And then the connector for charger. This. Oh, it's a mess. At the back, you can see these are the inclusions. It has the Insta360 X5 itself, the extra battery, the utility fast charge case, the carry case, standard lens guards, the lens cap, the 140 centimeters invisible stick, USB-C cable, protective pouch, lens cloth, quick start guide, and of course warranty card. That's just it, guys. Thank you for watching. I think that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. And please subscribe if you haven't yet. And yeah, that's it.